just learned to ride. Bend those knees, Rylan. Yeah.
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 All right, guys, today we're here with
Rylan.
And Rylan is gonna learn how to ride a skateboard. Have you ever in your whole life skateboarded?
A little bit.
So have you ever done an ollie?
No.
Never even like tried to learn an ollie?
Nope.
Okay, so riding a skateboard, I guess we could just see where you're at.
Okay.
Okay, so first things first, when you have a board like this side is your tail. And we know that because of that little, well, not so little in this case, big cutout. So that's your tail.
Okay.
So the first thing you're gonna do, well, I'm just gonna start you at the very, very rock bottom basics, okay?
Bet.
Do you know which way you ride? Right foot or left foot forward?
Right foot forward.
You're for sure?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I'm right-handed.
Okay, it doesn't mean that you're right foot forward if you're
Okay,
right-handed.
then I don't know.
He said, okay, then I don't know. Okay, you might be right foot forward though.
Yeah.
This is how we're gonna tell.
Okay.
We're gonna pretend that we're gonna run and slide on ice. Just pretend there's ice there. Run, slide. Just pretend, don't overthink it.
Yeah, right foot forward.
Okay, now I'm gonna try something else. Okay, you ready?
Oh gosh. Okay.
I just wanted to see which foot he put forward if I stood behind him and gave him a little push. He did put his right foot forward, so probably he was right, he is right foot forward.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's how you're gonna start. Your right foot is gonna go on the board straight. And where you're gonna start is literally just as you're walking. Just like you're walking like that. Don't put both feet on the board, just walk. Okay, good? I can tell you're gonna be good. You'll be in Tony Hawk Pro Skater 14. Okay, so front foot straight. The other thing that you have to know about skateboarding is very important, bend your knees. Because if you're standing up like this, like really high, your balance is very bad. And the board is rolling, so at any time, it can just shoot out, boom, you're gonna slam. But if your knees are bent, then you have way better control, way better balance. Does that make sense?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna do a little bit, we're just gonna do this for a little bit just so you get comfortable. Just bend your knees more, just walk. Don't step on yet. Dang, you look so cool. You were like, oh, I wanna learn how to skateboard so I look cool. And then I got you out here doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can do that, and then you're gonna put your back foot on, and you're gonna turn your front foot like that, because your ultimate riding position is gonna be there, yeah?
Yeah. How do I position? Oh.
Yep, so then you're gonna turn that front foot. Now, bend those knees, Rylan. Okay, step off there, step off the board, yeah, good.
Okay.
Now the next thing, you're always gonna know how to get out. You always need a safety. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, so your safety is your back foot.
Safety is my back foot.
Yeah,
Okay.
so if you ever like go off balance, oh, boom, step off of your back foot. So we're gonna just practice that on and off. Just give that a few. Bend those knees, bend those knees. Okay, now stand on the board for longer. Stand on it. Okay, now step off. Okay, he's leaning very heavily to the left. His weight is very much sent over there. Let's try and get more over the board. Good, now, just gonna do a little drill with you. Now, we're gonna put this foot straight. No, the other way. Sideways, I guess. No. This way.
Oh,
good,
okay.
now, lean to your heels. Good, lean to your toes. Good, lean to the heels. Good, lean to the toes. Good, you feel that?
Yeah.
You feel how the balance is going kind of both ways?
Yeah, this board's really smooth.
Good, now bend the knees.
Okay.
And you can bend at your hip too and get lower.
Ah.
Good, like that.
Ninja.
Like that. That looks like, okay, now you're skating.
Okay.
Yeah, does that feel awkward?
A little bit.
Yeah, I bet. Now the other thing to know is if this back foot is on the tail and you lift your front foot up, it's going. It's going up no matter what. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So make sure that your back foot is not on the tail if you ever are gonna lift that front foot up. Good. Okay, I think you're ready to ride.
All right.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, please bend your knees.
Okay, I got you.
Okay, give it a push and step on.
So like they have to be like completely vertical.
It doesn't have to, no.
Oh, so
like look, here,
little.
just watch my front foot. So when you're pushing, it's gonna be more comfortable like that, and then I'll just step on and move my foot. Step on and then move your foot.
Okay.
So watch my front foot. There. But if you're riding like this, that's like, your balance is everywhere,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you want it like that, it's gonna be better. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes a lot more sense.
Give it a push. Bend the knees, Rylan, bend the knees!
Okay. I haven't been on one of these things in years.
Okay, Chloe, we were this close to that board shooting out and just
No, we
getting
weren't.
completely demolished.
No, we weren't.
I want to do free skate lessons here. Chloe's trying to convince me to do it somewhere else. But if you guys are around for Go Skate Day, come here, let's do free lessons.
I'm a professional, bro.
That was good.
Professional.
You are a
That was
professional pro. Hey,
Yeah.
Both of those were good, first of all.
Nah, last one was kind of weak on my heart.
Okay, that was good. So now, push that way, step off, turn around, push back.
Okay.
See, that's what I'm afraid of with the lesson.
Sorry. I'm not meaning to.
It's okay.
These boards, they like to have a mind of their own.
It's true. So push there, step off, push back.
Push there.
Yep. Bend your knees, bend your knees. Okay, step off. Good, now turn around, now come back. Good, good. Good, good. It's like a giraffe in Antarctica on an ice skating rink. Like, it's always amazing for me to see a brand new person step on a skateboard because I forget what it's like because I've just been doing this for so long.
Gotta start getting used to bending my knees.
Yeah, you got to. Yeah, exactly. If you want to walk around everywhere like this, that's totally fine with me.
All right, let's go. We're skaters.
Because the other thing to understand, so like look, if my knees are bent and I fall down, it's not bad at all. But if I would have done that like this, oh, I would break an arm or a wrist or whatever. So don't do that.
Okay.
The other thing is if you do fall, just tuck your limbs in and let it roll. Don't try and stop yourself. If you're falling, don't put your arm out to stop. Just let it roll.
Sounds like the opposite of what I should do.
No, you want it to roll, yes. Because if you put your arm out, now all the force of your entire body weight is gonna go to that bone and it will break. So keep your arms in. If you keep your arms in, you'll just roll and whatever. Honestly, it's not even gonna hurt very bad. Okay, give it a push. This is how to fall, how to push, how to ride. Bend your knees. Yeah. Good, good.
Nice, Rylan.
That was good.
Yeah, and with my left foot off first.
You're a real skater now.
Yeah, I am.
Push this way. Good, that's good. Yep. He's already getting his kick turns in.
I know, it's really impressive.
Push again. Very good, very nice.
It's like the one part that I don't have is the turns.
Yeah, well, we're gonna get there. So this is the thing about skateboarding. The thing about skateboarding is that it's always, you have to do the easiest, then a little bit harder and a little bit harder. You have to learn like that. If right now I say, okay, we're gonna do kick flips, he'll never get it. It'll be impossible. But if I build him up through all of the earlier steps, he will get kick flips. So, because you just started, normally I would be like, okay, just ride your board. Ride it to school, ride it to the store, ride it everywhere, and you would get more and more comfortable. But we're gonna teach you some kick turns and some various other things right now.
Kick turn.
Yeah, so you already did this a little bit, which is good. So this starts in your upper body, your feet are there, and as I said, if your back foot is on the tail, the second you lift up the front foot, it's just lifting. So you're basically gonna bend your front knee and turn. Just go like that. Turn your upper body
I can do
first.
that.
You can do that.
Yeah, that's what I was talking like, that little pivot thingy.
All right, go ahead. I can do that, he says. Come on, you fell off right there. Just kidding.
No, I didn't.
You're doing great. Go ahead, keep going.
I'm a professional.
He said, I'm a professional.
Nice, Rylan.
Nice, Rylan. Slaying it.
I'm so slay, bro.
Okay, we're gonna do that until you can do this.
I can do that.
You think you can do that?
Yeah, watch this.
Go ahead. A full 180. Full 180.
Full 180?
Yeah, that's what I did. Like here. From here, I'm gonna do a full 180. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
I don't know what I was gonna say. I was gonna challenge you to something, but I don't know what I was gonna
Challenge me. Go ahead.
I don't know what I was gonna challenge you to.
Go ahead. See if you can 180. Close. Okay, that's pretty good.
Wow.
That's pretty good. Chloe's been skateboarding for 11 years. She just learned that. Just kidding. Just kidding.
11 years it took me.
11
True. She can
years.
ollie. She can shove it.
That's
okay.
like a billionth a quarter of my life.
Do it again.
It's like most of my life, actually. Not a billionth a quarter. I don't want this to go into the street, because then I'll feel like
It's
a
not gonna
bad
go into the
kid.
street. I will catch it. Don't say that in front of Chloe. She's trying to kill my lessons. Go ahead. Okay, that's good. Oh, you got it!
That was like a 179, I think. I wasn't perfect 180.
That was good. That was good. Now, you ready for the next step?
Yeah.
The other direction.
What does that mean?
It means instead of going this way, now you're going this way.
Okay, Rylan, what would you think would be called backside versus front side in both of those? Guess.
Front side would be right foot, back side would be left foot.
Go ahead.
I don't know.
Do the turn. I
Give
have
me
no
a-
idea what that means, left foot, right foot.
Okay.
I don't know either.
Exactly.
She just asked me a question, so I answered it.
So the other thing is the skateboard names are super confusing. We're
yeah,
gonna
like
handle that
right flip 180 or whatever.
too. Go ahead. Wow. Wow. This boy's a natural. Okay, keep going on that. We need more practice on that. This is like a glimpse into my past.
A glimpse into your past.
Yeah.
That reminds you of your past?
Yeah. Lead with the upper body. Yep, good,
Yeah.
good. That's good. Do it again. That first one was really good. I was very impressed. Good. Good, that was good. I think it'll be a little easier because this is a little bit downsloped. Yeah, start there. Start on this way and try and go like that. See if you can do a full 180 on this in 3 tries, I'm extremely impressed. Full 180, front side 180.
I never practiced like even pivoting on the right side. I don't
Never even
think.
practiced pivoting.
Exactly. See?
That's why I'll be impressed. 3 tries. First try!
Damn!
All right, I quit.
Okay, don't do that.
No, that was really good. Okay, that was really good.
That was like my 8th try, but after the challenge, that was my first try.
After the challenge, it was first try. So now, this is the deal. You now know how to turn left and right. So just to follow up, Chloe asked you, if you're turning this way, it's called either backside or front side.
Oh,
if you're
backside. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Backside 180 would be left foot.
What does that mean,
Okay,
left foot?
Aaron,
You have
do
to
one.
Okay.
Left side. Ah.
Okay,
I
I'm
don't-
gonna do it. You tell me, backside or front side.
Okay.
Ready?
Backside.
Correct.
I watched like 5 of your videos, bro.
Okay.
Backside 180.
Now I'm gonna turn this way. You tell me, back or front.
Front side.
Correct.
Why does that make sense to you?
Well, he said it makes sense because he watched my videos, which makes sense to me, which is why I teach skateboarding.
Yeah.
Which is why I've dedicated the last 18 years of my life to teaching skateboarding. Just kidding, sorry.
Since 2005.
Just getting a little passionate out here.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I was saying is now you can turn both backside and front side. So now what we do is we practice riding and turning. Bend your knees.
This board is tripping, bro.
Try and do what I just did.
How do you do that? Stop. Like you lift up.
No, just the turns and stuff. I should probably teach him to stop though.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you don't need to stop. Oh, good, good.
Wow.
Sorry.
It's okay. So we're gonna push that way. We're gonna do some turns to the left, some turns to the right, backside, front side. And how about I'll go, you follow my lead? Or you wanna go and I'll follow your lead?
I'm the professional here.
You are the
Which is
professional.
why I'll go second.
Okay. Push. backside, front side. Push, backside, front side. Try. Good?
Front side is like the one thing that I can't do.
Yeah, it's good. You know what I was just watching the other night, Chloe?
What?
There was a 55-minute video that we made of Chloe learning how to skateboard.
It's embarrassing.
No, it is not embarrassing. It's so good. And there's so many. You ever feel bad about yourself? Ever. Just go to that video and read those comments. There's so many people that are like, I can't, this is awesome. Thank you for making this video. I'm learning how to skate and it's great to see somebody else. But in the first 1 to 3 seconds of that video, there's just the hardest Chloe slam I think I've ever seen. Her body is like 4 feet in the air, straight up vertical like this. Wham! Right onto the world's hardest concrete. Like, this is nothing compared to that. That was good. You're doing great.
Okay.
Do it some more.
I need to practice the front side.
Yeah, you do. You
Yeah,
need to practice the front side. Yeah. So where you're at in skateboarding right now, I wouldn't even take you to tricks, although we are gonna do some tricks today.
I'll bet.
Yeah.
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 But
like a fist bump, high five, high five.
you're at the place where you should just ride. This is where beginning skateboarders always mess up.
It's like F1
You're
racing.
just learning, just learn to ride. Don't go to the quarter pipe. Please, if there's anything you shouldn't do, it's the quarter pipe.
I touched the trash can.
Yeah, you're good, you're good. Now turn back. I do not know what that noise was he just made. Like a little mouse.
I have a very manly scream, okay? You gotta teach me this stuff. Teach me the strawberry milkshake.
We're not, this is what's wrong with kids these days. Just 1 second on a board, teach me the strawberry milkshake.
What? You said it was one of the easiest.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
This is not one of the easiest. I can't even do it. I've been doing this for 30 years. I think we should do that again. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna push there, then we're gonna turn around, and then we're gonna go one more time around the garbage can. One more time.
Garbage can is like my worst thing.
Let's go. Try and go a little faster. Keep your knees bent. Keep your knees bent. That's good. It's good. Looking good. 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 Bend the knees. Good. Give it a push. Another push. Let's go. Turn around this.
See that, bro?
Yeah, I saw that, bro.
Like professional.
Now stop. Okay, it's perfect.
Ah.
He already knows how to stop just by naturally
I do?
because I taught him. Yeah, you just stopped. You
Oh,
rode
yeah.
and then stopped. Rylan, you killed it.
Yeah, I did.
You absolutely killed it.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, well that was your good, very, very, very good first riding. We got both backside turn, front side turn, little backside kick turn, front side kick turn. If it's your first day skateboarding, just do that. And then take your board and skate to the store, skate to school, wherever you're going, just get your board out and skate. And you will get gradiently more comfortable on that board. Don't step into tricks yet. We're gonna step into tricks soon though.
Bet.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.